What's up, 8th grade? So today we are going to continue working on what your independent work was yesterday. Same types of problems at the end of lesson 14. We're on page S.87. But we're going to talk today about something called writing a proof. If you see here, I have an example of a proof for problem set number 1 on page S.87. So we're going to talk about this in a sec. Let's just look at this example first, right? So find the measure of angle X, and this is the part we're worried about today. Present the informal argument showing that your answer is correct. So we know how to do this. We've done this a bunch. We know that the 3 angles inside have to add up to 180. So that means that we can find this angle C is 141. And then because angle C and X are adjacent, then we can figure out what X is, right? So we've done this, and a lot of you guys have sent me your work, you've showed me your algebra, your arithmetic, but today we're gonna write a proof. So for each of the problems that you're gonna do today, you're gonna have to have a proof like this. So a proof says, this is the answer, and this is how I know, okay? So if you look, we're gonna title it like this: proof that angle X is equal to 39 degrees. Here's how we prove it. First, angle B, C, and A have to add up to 180 degrees. And then we have to say how we know that. Well, that's the rule of interior angles of a triangle. We know that B, C, and A have to add up to 180. And then we're gonna show how we can figure out angle C. So we know that angle B is 26. Angle A is 13. And then it's like solving for a variable. We're solving for that variable angle C. Combine those two together, right? 39 plus whatever angle C is has to add up to 180, make a 0 pair, and then we know that angle C is equal to 141. So that's this angle, 141. Second step, we know that angle C and angle X add up to 180 degrees. How do we know that? Because of the adjacent angles rule. And then show how you can figure out what angle X is. We already said from step 1 that angle C was 141. So 141 plus whatever X is adds up to 180, make our 0 pair, and we get our answer. So we should have a proof like this, clearly written out with steps for numbers 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's it. That is all you have to do. Please send me some photos of your beautiful, organized proofs so that I can put them in our lesson on Wednesday. Okay? Office hours at 1:15. If you have any questions, use this as your example. Deuces.